Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand what is a new card in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. I'll click on this new card. So let's select the data, sales, and format your visuals. So we can select the shapes from here. At present, it is rectangle, rounded rectangle. So all these shapes are available. Moreover, the size of the bottom snips can also be adjusted. You can see. Now activate the call out value. The color is black. It can be changed. Keep it in the center. The label color can also be changed from here. Spacing. Layout. So you can adjust the alignments from here. So it is better that you go for horizontal. Space between the cards. If there are more than one cards, you will have to go for it. Cards. Apply to sum of sales. So if there are more than two cards, you can change the settings from here. Padding, normal, wide. So this will increase basically the white space in your card. Fill. So at present, the no color has been selected. Let's select the color, border. We require the dark border with the shadow. So it's outside bottom right shadow. Glow. Require a glow. Yes, we can require a glow. Keep it in this. Let's have it in center. Make this outside and this is center. Let's take it on bottom left. This is a glow image. You want to enter an image, browse, go in D drive, miscellaneous. Let's select the image, open, position. You will have to change the position, keep it at the top. Quite good. Increase the padding. Action bar, if it's necessary, activate it. Otherwise, keep it off. Now go in general settings, properties. This will increase the height of the card. This will increase the width of the card. By increasing this number, the card will shift on right hand side. This will shift towards the bottom. Padding. This will increase the white space on left hand side. This will increase on right hand side. Towards the bottom, towards the top. Advanced options, keep as it is. Title, if necessary, activated and write down the title. Effects. Background color, you can select the background color from here. Let's select the background color. And here also we can select the border, visual border, activate it, and round corners. Shadow, you can have the shadow for this also. So outside, now click here. So it looks quite good. So this is all about how to create new card in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.